how you feel determines what you do. Anytime that you're in a disempowering emotional state, you're going to see how that thing determines the actions that you take. If you are in this sluggish state, or depressed, or feeling stressed, or feeling angry, right? You would agree, right, that you would do things differently compared to when you're feeling powerful, when you're feeling confident, when you're feeling grounded, or grateful, or excited. Even your perception changes, because one of the things that affects your perception of reality is the emotional state that you are in right now. That's why you can see something, right? You can see a video clip. I don't know what just happened to my voice then. I was like, but a video clip, right? And there's certain times where you can watch this video clip and you will just crack up for no damn reason. It's something that's so stupid, but you just laugh. And one of the big reasons is because you're in a happy emotional state. But you could see something that was actually pretty funny, and you could be sad, or you could be stressed out, and you could be really angry, and you could see that thing and it wouldn't make you laugh. And a big reason is because how you're perceiving me right now is based on your emotional states. And that's why it's so important, and why it's like frustrating that one of the things that we didn't get born with is a manual of how to operate this thing right here, the most important thing, and this down here. We didn't get taught how to listen to your intuition. We didn't get taught how to create self-awareness. We didn't get taught that we are not our thoughts. We didn't get taught how to manage our emotions. But it's so important, because without mastering your emotions, you cannot master your life. That's why there are so many people who have everything, but because they haven't mastered their emotions, they commit suicide. And that's why there are so many people who have nothing, but they've mastered their emotions, they're feeling grateful, and they feel like they have everything. Some people, if you don't master your emotions, everything is nothing. And if you want to change your actions, start changing how you feel. And the way that you do that, one of the ways, is through changing the way that you're using your body. Every single time, I was just on a coaching call, that's why I'm in front of my laptop. I was feeling a little bit tired, a little bit stressed before, and I was like 10 minutes before my coaching call. So before I got on this coaching call, I put on Avicii Levels. That's like my song. It brings back it's a big anchor for me, and it evokes a lot of positive emotions. And I started dancing around like crazy. I started to bang on my chest. I started to do a power pose. I started to say things out loud, incantations, and it got me in a peak emotional state. And when I went to serve this person, the way that I spoke, the way that the amount of creativity that was flowing out of me, the advice that I was giving this dude, was just like, holy shit, this is actually really good. I need to write this stuff down, right? And the main thing was emotion. If you can gauge where you're at before you go and meet your partner, or before you go to work, and if you find out at a level 10 to 0, 10 being highly engaged and highly, whatever emotion that you want to feel, excited, happy, determined, and 0, where are you? Gauge where you're at, and then gauge where you need to be most effective in that thing. For example, if I'm going to make a video, and let's say I gauge where I'm at, and I'm at a level 4 in terms of energy. Okay, well, where do I need to be? I need to be at a level 9. I need to be totally engaged. Okay, cool. What do I need to do? Maybe I need to have a cold shower. Maybe I need to jump up and down. Maybe I just need to go for a walk. Maybe I need to bang on my chest. Maybe I need to do something that gets me engaged so I can get to where I want to be. The easiest way to change how you feel is through changing the way that you're moving your body. And there was no point to do that click right then. I did that for no damn reason. But doing something that engages yourself. Cold showers, movements, motion creates emotion. Remember that. So I just wanted to say that, because I feel like it's really, really important that we start to get ideas about why we are doing what we are doing. Moment to moment, a big reason why we are doing certain actions is because of the emotional state that we are in. A deeper reason because of your beliefs, or because of your values, or because of your identity, how you perceive yourself, or there's so many different reasons, right? What you're associating pain and pleasure to. That's a deeper reason, but on a moment-to-moment basis, a big part of why you may not be following through on something is because of the emotional state that you're in. If you want to stop procrastinating, move. Do something that engages your body, because when you're energized, you want to do that thing rather than feel like you have to do that thing. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought. And until I see you guys in the very next video, remember to love all living things, and most importantly, love thyself.